At least this one though. Sayonara. Get out of here, big mama. Get out of here, big mama. Yeah. Swim off. Yee. She's cool. She gone. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today's adventure, man, we're here at New Melones. I never been here before. It's my first time here. Hopefully it's good. I personally don't know. I heard the bite's really good today. I mean, they've been good, so that's why I came here. And this is the only place with clear water too. That's the other reason why I came here as well. Cause all the rain we've been having, man, the whole like river system, the delta, all the lakes, man, it's so muddy, muddy and like, man, it's not the business. So yeah, that's why I came here. So yeah, wish me luck. Let's do this. Come on. Where to start? Where to start? Let's do drop bait. Ooh, that shit took a minute. Looks like we finally made it, y'all. Took us like a few minutes to get here, man. But it was, I think it was worth it. Hopefully, I don't think anybody ever fished there because I don't see nobody here. So let's see how we do. All right, first. Well, it's not my first cast, but. Ooh, I got one. What the hell? Trying to fish. Yeah, I got one. Yeah, I got one. I think I got one. I got something. I feel like a fish. I do got one. Shit. Dang, I was fixing my shit and got one. Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. Swallowed it though. Hurt. That's sticking one, y'all. That's crazy. I guess I live up to the name, y'all. got one. Yep. I got one. Good one, good one. Yes. Yes. Tired of this drop shot. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a really good one, y'all. Sheesh, I did. What's up? Just 2 so far, both on drop shot. I did. It's just, I don't know, man. It's just, I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling. This shit. The drop shot. I know exactly what I got one, guys. I got one on everything. No, on drop shot. Oh, fatty, boy. Woo. Nigga, no, this one's fat, bro. Woo. Oh, clear. Oh, fatty, boy. Woo. I don't know. See that, man? That's a solid one, bro. Solid one. Yup. What the have to catch and release this one, though. See you now, y'all. Get out of here, big mama. Get out of here, big mama. Yeah. Swim off. Yee. She's cool. She gone. Oh, that's another one. There you go. Oh, come here, come here, come here. These are all good sized ones, man. Yes. Woo. Oh, this shit is crazy, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Yeah. Sheesh, y'all see that, man? I'm telling y'all, man, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. Woo, met today's goal, y'all. The goal is to catch more than one fish today. We caught today's goal for sure, man. For sure, we caught more than today's goal. Things are time to low-key kind of want to go home, man, but it's like an hour and a half from Sac, and I feel like, man, I do not want to go home right now, man. It's too far. I think if I could beat traffic, but oh well, man. I'm just gonna keep fishing till I catch my living and go home. I think that's my best bet. But right now, I'm making my way across the lake right now, so I'm closer to the ramp. So later when I come back, I'll be good. I ain't gotta cross when the wind picks up, because the wind is gonna pick up. It's gonna pick up in a little bit, so hey, let's do this. Come on. And if you're wondering, yes, I do keep fish. It's not for my personally don't eat fish, but it's for my parents, and they love fish. So you know, I do it for them. I do it for my pleasure, and I feed my family as well. So it's no harm done. You know what I'm saying? Around this time, I usually let the big ones go. Like I actually always let the big ones go. Let all the females go. So but yeah, I think this one is a female though. But oh well. It doesn't hurt, you know what I'm saying? It's one fish, it won't hurt the population here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be a long while to get across. It always takes a while to cross. I really want to fish this corner right here on the right side, but I don't know, man. It looks good, but I don't know, man. I just want to cross right now, just in case. I'm gonna pedal for a little bit, let my fish stay alive. Oh yeah, man. Imagine you have to pedal across, man. It'd be crazy, yo. I'm telling you. But so far, so good, man. I'm having a really solid day today, you guys. Man, I can't be any more happier. I know it's a Monday, but you know, I'm just out here having fun, man. I'm glad the lake is kind of dead too. It's not really. It seems like I got the whole lake to myself. There's nobody out here. Y'all see that? They've been killing it on striper. Striper season picking up at the sack, but I'm good, man. I like fast fishing. I feel like it's more fun. So yeah. Ooh, making my way back, man. Pedaling back. I'm letting my fish recover a little bit before I turn the motor back on. Yeah, for sure I'm coming back here. For sure I'm coming back to New Melones. For sure. This lake is solid, man. It's far though, but it's solid though. I see why a lot of people like this lake. It's really worth the drive. I mean, it's really worth it. I mean, driving this far, oh yeah, man. I have to keep fish. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all wonder, I launched out of Glory Hole. Launch is $10. It's pretty cheap, I'm not gonna lie. Most lakes are like Campfire West. I was about to go there today. That's just like $25, bro, just to fish. That's crazy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. One short of a limit, you guys. One short of a limit. Having a really solid day today. I really can't complain. And man, I hope you guys like that. I'm talking a little bit more. I'm trying to be a little more talkative on my videos. But it's still kind of weird to me that, you know, I'm talking, you know what I'm talking about? Like, I'm talking to nobody. There's nobody around. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of weird. So, but yeah, now, yeah, I'm feeling a little more comfortable. Just trying to be a little more talkative. But it's hard, man. But if you're wondering what I call all my fish on today, it's all on drop shot. But yeah, where do y'all want to see me go next? My goal for this year is just to explore as much as I can, because I feel like if I keep going to the same lakes over and over, y'all probably get tired of it. So, but my goal for this year right now is go up to Orville Dam, Orville Reservoir, or whatever, Orville, you know, and then go out to Lake Shasta. That's my other spot I'm gonna go to soon. Maybe Don Pedro, y'all want to see that? I don't know, man. It's kind of far, I'm not gonna lie, but Shasta's far already. It's like 3 hours. So I told myself anything over 3 hours is okay. If anything under 3 hours is okay. Anything over 3 hours I won't do. So yeah. Come on, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Man, big fish, y'all. Yeah! Woo! Let's go, y'all. First Ned rig fish ever. Yeah. First one. Ned rig fish ever, y'all. Another one. Yep, time to go home, y'all. Woo, damn. Okay, Ned Rick, I see you. Yeesh. Sad. What's good, y'all? Man, today was just crazy, man. I didn't think I was gonna catch my limit and release like a 3-pounder today. But solid day today, really solid today. The whole experience just coming here is blowing my mind right now. I think it's probably my new favorite lake. Probably for sure. I'm thinking coming back on Monday, but I don't know, it depends on the weather. It's supposed to rain this weekend, but I don't know. But so far, it's pretty solid. I honestly really like this lake, so probably come back for sure. But yeah, hope you enjoy the ride, man. I'll see you guys later, alright? Like, comment, subscribe.